The construction industry in Kenya continues to create many business opportunities as more people build homes, apartments, commercial buildings, schools, factories, warehouses, and roads. Rapid urban growth, increasing demand for affordable housing, and investments in infrastructure have made construction one of the country's most active industries. While starting a construction company requires planning, technical knowledge, and financial discipline, it is a business that can grow from handling small residential projects to managing large commercial developments. The first step is deciding the type of construction company you want to establish. Some companies focus on building residential houses, while others specialize in commercial buildings, roads, drainage systems, renovations, steel fabrication, roofing, plumbing, electrical installation, or interior finishing. Starting with one area allows you to gain experience before expanding into other services. It is better to become known for delivering quality work in one field than trying to do everything without enough expertise. Prepare a detailed business plan before spending any money. Your plan should explain the services you will offer, your target customers, your competitors, your marketing strategy, expected costs, projected income, and business goals. A good business plan also helps you determine how much capital you need and whether you will require a loan or investors in the future. Choose a suitable business structure. Many entrepreneurs register a private limited company because it creates a professional image and separates personal assets from business liabilities. Register the company through the appropriate government business registration system, obtain a Kenya Revenue Authority personal identification number, and apply for the necessary county business permits before beginning operations. Proper registration builds trust with clients and makes it easier to bid for larger projects. One of the most important legal requirements is registering your company with the National Construction Authority before operating as a contractor. The authority requires construction companies to provide documents such as company registration certificates, tax compliance certificates, technical qualifications of directors or staff, business permits, financial information, and other supporting documents depending on the category of registration. Contractors must also maintain a valid practicing license to undertake construction work legally. Different contractor categories allow companies to handle projects of different sizes depending on their technical and financial capacity. Construction is a business where reputation is built through skilled people. Even if you own the company, you should hire qualified professionals or work closely with experienced engineers, architects, quantity surveyors, site supervisors, electricians, plumbers, welders, masons, carpenters, painters, and machine operators. Skilled workers reduce mistakes, improve safety, and help complete projects on time. Investing in continuous training also keeps your team updated with modern construction methods and safety standards. Starting capital depends on the services you intend to offer. A small contractor concentrating on residential renovations and small buildings may begin with a few $100,000 Kenyan shillings. Larger companies that intend to construct multi-story buildings or infrastructure projects may require several million Kenyan shillings. Your budget should include office rent, furniture, computers, surveying equipment, safety gear, transportation, insurance, salaries, licenses, and marketing expenses. It should also provide enough working capital because clients sometimes delay payments. Many new construction companies do not immediately buy expensive machinery. Equipment such as excavators, bulldozers, cranes, graders, concrete mixers, and rollers can be hired whenever a project requires them. Hiring equipment reduces the amount of capital tied up in assets and allows a young company to remain financially flexible. As your company grows and wins more contracts, purchasing frequently used equipment may become more economical. Set up a professional office that clients can visit. Your office does not have to be luxurious, but it should be clean, organized, and equipped with reliable internet, computers, printers, and communication systems. Professionalism creates confidence among customers, consultants, suppliers, and financial institutions. Open a dedicated business bank account to separate company finances from personal spending. Good financial records make it easier to monitor profits, prepare tax returns, and apply for financing. Construction companies should also use accounting software to track project costs, employee wages, supplier payments, and customer invoices. Careful financial management often determines whether a contractor succeeds or fails. Develop strong relationships with suppliers of cement, steel, timber, sand, ballast, electrical materials, plumbing supplies, paints, roofing materials, tiles, and hardware products. Reliable suppliers can offer competitive prices flexible payment terms, and timely deliveries. This helps you complete projects without unnecessary delays. Insurance is another important investment. Construction sites involve many risks, including accidents, property damage, equipment theft, and injuries. Appropriate insurance policies help protect the company, employees, and clients from financial losses when unexpected events occur. Every successful construction company places safety first. Workers should always wear helmets, reflective jackets, gloves, safety boots, goggles, and other protective equipment where necessary. Regular safety training reduces workplace accidents and demonstrates professionalism to clients. A company known for maintaining safe construction sites often gains a stronger reputation in the industry. Marketing your construction company requires consistency. Create a professional website showing your completed projects, services, contact information, and customer testimonials. Maintain active social media pages where you regularly post photographs and videos of ongoing projects. High-quality before and after pictures help potential customers appreciate the quality of your workmanship. Business cards, branded vehicles, uniforms, and signboards at construction sites also increase public visibility. Networking plays a major role in winning contracts. Build relationships with architects, engineers, quantity surveyors, real estate developers, property managers, banks, land agents, and hardware suppliers. Many construction jobs come through referrals from professionals who have previously worked with reliable contractors. Attend business exhibitions, construction conferences, and industry events whenever possible to expand your network. Customer service should never be ignored. Respond to inquiries quickly, prepare clear quotations, explain project timelines honestly, and communicate regularly throughout construction. Clients appreciate contractors who provide regular updates instead of disappearing after receiving deposits. Good communication prevents misunderstandings and builds long-term trust. Pricing construction projects requires careful calculation. Never guess the cost of a project. Prepare detailed estimates covering labor, materials, equipment hire, transportation, permits, overhead expenses, taxes, and your expected profit margin. Underpricing may win a contract but lead to financial losses, while overpricing may drive customers away. Accurate quotations protect both the contractor and the client. Quality should always be your strongest selling point. Avoid using substandard materials simply to increase profits. Poor workmanship may result in expensive repairs, legal disputes, and damage to your company's reputation. Clients who receive quality work are more likely to recommend your services to friends, relatives, and business partners. Technology is transforming the construction industry. Many companies now use drones for surveying, project management software for scheduling, digital accounting systems, cloud storage for project documents, and mobile applications to communicate with teams on different construction sites. Adopting suitable technology improves efficiency, reduces errors, and enhances customer satisfaction. Cash flow management is one of the biggest challenges facing contractors. Construction projects often require purchasing materials and paying workers before receiving full payment from clients. Always negotiate clear payment schedules, including reasonable deposits and progress payments linked to completed stages of work. Maintaining sufficient cash reserves helps keep projects moving even when payments are delayed. Government tenders and private sector contracts offer opportunities for growth, but they also require compliance with legal and professional standards. Keep your company documents, tax compliance certificates, practicing licenses, insurance policies, and financial records up to date. Clients are more likely to trust contractors who demonstrate full compliance with regulatory requirements. As your company grows, invest in employee development and leadership. Promote hardworking staff, encourage teamwork, and reward excellent performance. Skilled and motivated employees improve productivity and help maintain high construction standards. A positive company culture also reduces employee turnover and strengthens customer confidence. Building a successful construction company does not happen overnight. It takes patience, discipline, technical competence, honesty, and a commitment to quality. Many successful contractors started with small renovation projects before expanding into larger developments. By maintaining legal compliance, delivering quality workmanship, managing finances wisely, treating customers professionally, and continuously improving your skills, you can build a construction company that earns a strong reputation and creates long-term success in Kenya.